Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. Let's see together what annuals I have grown this year in my garden. I want to show you a little garden tour and my favorite hardy annuals that even an inexperienced gardener can grow. The main border plant in my garden this year is alyssum. I grow two types of alyssum, a white alyssum and a pink one. Alyssum belongs to the cruciferous family and is a relative of the common cabbage. So be careful. Cabbage pests also love to eat alyssum. Bees and slugs love alyssum. Another decoration for my flower beds. Do you know this beautiful bright bush? Of course, I'm sure you know it's a coleus. The plant loves the sun and moisture, a lot of nutrients to grow such beautiful leaves. Don't forget about regular watering and top dressing with complex fertilizers if you grow coleus in the garden. Here is the Cineraria maritima. The plant has a silvery green color, beautiful leaf shape. It grows well in flower beds where there is a lot of sun and little moisture. Cineraria maritima has several varieties. The height of the plant varies from 8 inches to 20 inches. This is snapdragon. Look, these flowers have an amazing color. They remind me of small pink clouds that are located in a flower bed. This is salvia. The plant surprised me with a variety of colors. In my flower beds grow salvia white, pink, red, purple. Each plant I grew from seeds, seedling method. Ageratum is here. This annual has vibrant blue flowers that pair perfectly with alyssum flowers and white snapdragon flowers. Look how beautiful it is. Here I have made a flower bed with annuals planted diagonally. Basically, plants grow here that have white and lilac flowers. For greater effect, I planted Cineraria maritima and blue ageratum around the perimeter of the flower bed. Do you recognize this small, delicate blue flower? This is Bacopa. By the way, I have a video about growing bacopa, you can watch it. Roses grow here, but they are not alone. White alyssum, pink alyssum and another unpretentious plant are planted around rose bushes. This is a perennial, Caucasian arabis. Here is a young bush of Hydrangea paniculata. Look how beautiful big inflorescences. Hydrangea loves acidic soil. The acidity level needs to be controlled, but the norm for this plant is pH 4-4.5. I feed hydrangeas every week and acidify the soil with an aqueous solution of citric acid. Mixed border on which annuals grow. This is a Chinese carnation. I will talk about this annual and in my next video. There is an incredibly beautiful willow here, from which I will make several bowls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.